These decisions underline the government's twin thrust on empowering the farm sector and fast-tracking India's clean energy ambitions. An Indian Council of Agricultural Research is celebrating its 97th Foundation Day on 16th of July. ICAR was established on this day in 1929 with the objective of conducting research in agriculture, animal husbandry, dairy, fisheries and related technologies. Watch this special report to know about ICAR's special achievements.
Indian Council of Agricultural Research is one of the largest national agricultural research systems in the world, with 113 ICAR institutes and 74 agricultural universities spread across the country. It has played a major role in the Green Revolution and subsequent developments in agriculture in India through its robust research and technological advancements, leading to many-fold increase in food grain production, horticultural crops, fish and milk production in the country from 1950-51 to 2024. With technology and research in agriculture, India is the major exporter of rice in the world with production of 149.1 million tons of rice. India ranks first in milk production with 239.30 million tons and ranks second in the world in wheat and fish production. Over 400 improved varieties of seeds have been released in animal husbandry, responsible for conservation of various breeds of cows, has developed better breeds of Catla, Labio, Rohita in fisheries, established a strong network of Kisan Call Center, Kisan Mobile App and Krishi Vigyan Centers. For agriculture and research, ICAR exercises academic control of more than 75 agricultural universities in India. These universities offer degrees in fields like agriculture, horticulture, fisheries and more. ICAR, one of the largest national agricultural research organizations in the world, working in collaboration with international organizations like FAO, CJIAR, IRRI, Philippines, CIMMYT, Mexico. ICAR has collaborative agreements with 40+ countries of the world on agricultural technology, seed production and more. Focus on organic farming, linked farmers and grain markets with PM Kisan, ENAM, promoting agri-startups, promoting smart farming research techniques using AI, while making India self-sufficient in food grain production, animal husbandry and fisheries. ICAR is not only a nation's pride, but has also become a symbol of India's scientific, agricultural power at the global level. With inputs from Anuj Yadav, DD India.